There is a pleasure in the pathless woods. There is a rapture on the lonely shore. There is society when none intrudes. By the deep sea and music in its roar. I love not man the less, but nature more. From these are interviews in which I steal from all I may be or have been before, to mingle with the universe and feel what I can never express, yet cannot all conceal. Roll on, thou deep and dark blue ocean, roll. 10,000 fleets sweep over thee in vain. Man marks the earth with ruin. His control stops with the shore. Upon the watery plain, the wrecks are all thy deed. Naught doth remain, a shadow of man's ravage, save his own, when for a moment, like a drop of rain, he sinks into thy depths with bubbling groan, without a grave, unknelled, uncoffined, and unknown. His steps are not upon thy paths, thy fields are not a spoil for him. Thou dost arise and shake him from thee. The wild strength he wields for earth's destruction, thou dost all despise, burning him from thy bosom to the skies, and send'st him shivering in thy playful spray, and howling to his guards, where haply lies his petty hope in some near port or bay, and dashest him again to earth, there let him lay.